Well, here we are on Soy Bacau. Let's just spin the camera around. That's the main street, all coming down, all the bars are lit up. But there is a growing fad here in Thailand about small bars. And bars, little bars, that can move from place to place, and they pop up all over. So let's have a look at the bars in question, or they're converted VW vans, and we got one here. Let's have a quick look. And here this is a nice example of the van, Type 2 bay window. This one's located just off of Soy Bacau in the car park, and Siam Cocktails it's called. Quite nicely laid out. It's drop down bar, all the drinks in the front, and all the seating around the van. Not too many people out, it's early, so let's have a look around. It's got some nice neon lights. This they've taken the lump out to give them a bit more room, to be expected I suppose. And looking at these lights, these reflectors, they were on the Type 1 vans, but the bumper is definitely a Type 2 edition. It changed, they were more rounded on Type 1. But overall, a very nice example of a VW. Nice domed wheel hubs there. And again, the reflectors down at the bottom were definitely Type 1. They later moved up to the grill, top grill position. And lots of neon in the van, and to attract the people, they gutted the cab out. You can't drive it. Obviously, got no engine, no console. So nice example of the van as a bar. Bay window. This one is just off Soy Bacau in the car park there, just behind the bar. It's again coming up to Tree Town. There's another one. This one's not so good condition. This one is static. It's here all the time. Again, it's a Type 2 bay window. Again, it's got the lower indicators from the Type 1, and the bumpers there are definitely from a Type 1. Those indicators went up to that grille position later on the Type 2s. Again, all very similar. They've got a drop down bar at the front with a lift up. The back of it was a bit grotty, door locks, everything missing, but this one's static. It's here all the time. But all the music playing out. I've had to do voiceover on all of these because they all play copyright music, so it's a little bit difficult doing a live video on this one. So Cocktails is the name. Nice little name there. Just going up round onto Second Road. This is the front of Central Avenue. I spied a little van as I was riding past. I stopped. Now this is definitely not a VW. Don't know what it is, but it's a lot smaller van. Again, all the same style, drop side, lift up roof. This is Cocktail 19. Now this one, Cocktail, must be a franchise. There's also another one on Beach Road. So of the same design, same car or van, same neon lights. So there must be a little franchise going around. Nice neon display going on with the music. As I say, the music very, very loud, and all of these vans do copyright music, hence the voiceover. This is a view of it from the roadside as I was walking back to the bike. Quite distinctive, you can't miss it. It's just stuck there on the entrance to Central Avenue Mall for your enjoyment. Just a little shot here of Beach Road and the activities going on Beach Road. This one coming on the other side of Central Avenue is this guy, Mr. Robot. he walks up and down the road posing for pictures and people give him a couple of baht. But again, he was outside this Type 2 bay window van, and quite nice paint job on this one. Again, a Type 2 bay with not so much neon. It's in the prominent position. This one drives around, I've seen it. And so Mr. Robot's making his way to the next venue to get a few more baht for pictures, posing with pictures. But yeah, but this van, I've seen this go around Pattaya. He drives from place to place. This is his regular spot. Quite a nice paint job on it. As I say, it is street legal. And so Mr. Robot decided to go up there. If you stop him, get a photograph, and you give him 20 baht or whatever, I think he makes a good living out of it at the end of the day. But sod that, walking around with all that kit on. Mum taking her kids, 2 kids on the bike, do a bit of shopping, and that's a view of the beach in the dark. Bit further round from Central Avenue on 2nd Road is this one. This one's not such a good condition. They've taken the back window up, made a bit of a shoddy job of patching that up, but the front of it looks okay, and you can stop and have a cocktail, have a drink if you want. There's plenty of seating. The guy there asking me if I want a drink, sit down with a lady, but I had to decline on this occasion because work prevails. And for all you health and safety freaks out there, you can blow your mind on this one. Now, when they do work in public roads, thoroughfares, they just get on with it. There's no signage, there's no messing around. They just dig holes, pull these cables in, and get on with the job. If you fall over, it's your fault. You should have been looking where you're going. There is no one-way system put in place. Say I'm going to just step over all these cables. They're pulling these cables in. They're taking all the high-level cables away and putting underground cables in to tidy the place up. But that's an improvement. Just coming round to a bit further up on 2nd Road, there's another Type 2. Here we go, he's in the car park. Look at the size of that exhaust. I don't know what size lump he's got, but again, this one is definitely mobile, and it's not a fine example, but it goes from place to place. Drop down side, lift up roof, all the music blaring out, and people, there's the girls sitting outside enjoying their drinks. Just on the other side of the car park was this one. This one was quite a nice van. It wasn't a Type 2 VW, I think it was a Toyota, but it had a nice paint job, really loud music going on, and all the seating outside. This one was Bob Marley, so you can probably buy your drink, sit outside, and probably buy some happy lettuce to go with your drink, just to chill out. Quite nice laid out bar. Drop down side as normal, lift up roof. The guy showing me there the 2-tone horns, he was quite proud of that, and he was over the moon, waking everyone up. So there you are, Bob Marley, Sam's Bar, cocktails. Let's have a look underneath. Yeah, Sam Bar, cocktails, all part of the paint job. Quite nice. It had lit up under car or under van lights, the red lights underneath there, so when you come back, he lights the road. He sometimes puts that on as he's going down the road, and also has the music blaring. Come across this little Beetle, VW Beetle, in the car park just behind the vans there. Quite a nice example. You don't see Beetles of this age in Thailand. Someone's obviously been loved and cherished this one and uses it as his daily runaround, but it's quite a nice van, quite a nice Beetle there. Lastly, we come up to the airport market up on the Klua Road. and where you've got the 747 stuck right in the middle of the market, and the market is laid out right underneath the aeroplane. And again, lo and behold, you've got a VW Type 2 van straight underneath the wing of it. They blaring out his music, all the surf songs on this one, and he's quite happy getting ready for tonight's takings. Sides of that wing goes right out, everyone's underneath it, and this is quite a nice market to come to for a little walk around and something to eat. If you're ever up McClure way, if you come, you can't miss it. You've got this great big plane stuck on the side of the road as you go up, and you can't say it's these are the wheels that you never ever see on a plane. You hear them, but you never see them, and everyone sits under the fuselage for something to eat. Quite a nice little, quite a nice little market, this one. Really nice big struts there holding them wheels together. Must take huge amounts of force when that lands. Fuselage is a little bit needs a wash, a bit dirty, but I'm sure they get round to that for the high season approaching. So that'll be cleaned up, ready for the intake of all the tourists and the phalanx come and spend their money. Walking around, yes, there's always the girls walking around. Nice sights, keep you busy, make you bump into things. And this is just a quick look up on the stalls, all the barbecues, the fruit smoothies and coconuts, everything you can want to eat, or curries, it's all there. This guy just shooed me along. There's snakes there, I'll try to get a picture of them, but he shooed me along. And durian, the king of fruits. Now, thank you for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, please smash that subscribe button, leave a comment. I will return all comments, and until the next one, stay safe, and I will see you a little bit further down the line. Thank you for watching.